Hey guys, if your audio is not working on Discord, either you can't hear any sound or your microphone isn't working, then stick with me as in this video I'm going to show you all the steps you need to take to fix this. It's a relatively simple one to fix, so let's jump straight into it. First thing you want to do is open up the Discord app and you want to come into the user settings at the bottom here and scroll all the way down until voice and video. And of course, you want to make sure both the input volume is set to 100% and also the output volume. Inside the input device, we want to select our microphone if we have one. Otherwise, you could just leave this as default. And then we want to do the same for output device, and this is where you want the sound to come out of. So for this one, we want to select our laptop speakers. Once we finish in here, we want to come to our taskbar and just find the volume icon, and we want to right click this and select Open Volume Mixer. Now again, we want to make sure the volume is set to 100%. We also want to select the correct output and input devices, and then we want to scroll down, and this is actually one of the main reasons why people can't hear sound in Discord. Is you want to make sure this slider is set to 100%, and then we just click the arrow and we want to select the correct output and input devices. We can then test to see if the audio is working on Discord. If you've tried these steps and it's still not working, then let's move on to the next steps. Let's load back up the Discord client, and once it's running, you want to press Ctrl+R on your computer if you're using Windows. What this is going to do is going to reset the Discord client and automatically update it. We can then come into settings again underneath voice and video, and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom here and select reset voice settings. Then just press OK. If that doesn't work for you, we can come back inside of settings, inside of voice and video, and scroll down to find audio subsystem. And underneath here, you want to select either legacy or experimental. You would have to try them both and find out which one works for you. Now, the last and final thing we can do, guys, if you're still encountering audio issues, is to make sure our audio drivers are fully up to date, as outdated drivers can cause incompatibility issues and prevent the sound from working correctly. There's a free tool that makes this super easy. Just head over to an internet browser and you want to come to a website called drivereasy.com. Once you're on this website, just scroll all the way down the page until you find the download section, and then hit this download button here. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, just launch it on your computer, and once it's running, just press this Scan Now button. What this is going to do is going to scan your computer for any outdated drivers, and then we can update them in just one simple click. So once the scan's complete, what you're looking for here is specifically any outdated audio drivers, and you know if it's an audio driver because it will have this little sound icon next to it, and then you just come into the update button next to it, and then follow the steps to update the outdated driver. You can also press the Update All button at the bottom here, but this is part of the paid plan, so I'd recommend just sticking to the free one and couple into each of these one by one. If you've tried everything in this video and you're still experiencing sound problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.